boys and girls? Welcome to Going Guitar. Cool song from, yes, Sergio Ramos. I didn't see this coming. Okay, so this great football artist, he's playing soccer and now he's playing music. This song is called Cibeles. Let's go into it. So you have the capo here set on the 6th frets, absolute best position for having a simple, easy guitar life. And with that, we have 3 simple chords. So let's go into the chords and start with the F major 7/C. Okay, so that's basically an F major, but with this C note in the bass. You're gonna play 3rd A, 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. That's the first chord. Next is A minor, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the third and final chord, E minor. So that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And we will play this chord progression through entire song. So yes, let's look into this melody first. So we're gonna go chord by chord, starting with the F major C. Hold the chord as it is and play this pattern. Okay, so you're gonna play 3rd A, 3rd D, 2nd G, back to 3rd D, 1st B, 2nd G, and 3rd D. Okay, then we go into the next chord, the A minor, and play it exactly the same pattern. Of course, different notes there since we have a different grip. So it will sound like this. So that gives us open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, back to 2nd D, then 1st B, 2nd G, and 2nd D. And finally we have the E minor. Hold the chord as it is. Now a little bit different since we're gonna move up on the strings. It will sound like this. Okay, and you're gonna play open E string in the bass, and then 2nd A, then open G, 2nd D, then open B, open G, and 2nd D. And that is 1 round. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds. So F major 1 round, A minor 1 round, and E minor 2 rounds. And 1 melody round with all these 3 chords together sounds like this. And actually play 2 rounds for you because it's that beautiful. Anyway, that is what's going on. You can play that actually from the beginning till the very end, but you can also switch it up with some strumming, and that's what we're gonna learn now. So grab the first chord, the F C chord, and 1 string around will sound like this. You can play this in different ways. This is my interpretation of it, of how I would play if I would perform this. So we're gonna start with the first half. It's down, down, up, clap, down. So first one down, and then down, up, clap, down. That's the first half, okay? So you make a short little pause here, and then you play down, clap, down. And that's it. And then you immediately go into the second strumming round. So a couple of rounds to understand how it sounds together. It goes like this. But you have to switch some chords here. So again, the pattern is the same as the melody. F C 1 round, A minor 1 round, and E minor 2 rounds, like this. Alright guys, so Mr. Ramos, Cibeles, cool that he can play some music as well, not only this round little thing rolling on the field. Anyway, yes, so if you want to try this song, then go for it. Very simple with capo on 6 here, 3 simple chords, and the same just moves on in the same way through the entire song. Good luck with this one, guys. Hope to see you soon. Play tune.